Turn on. Turn on the emergency stop and laser. Wait 10 seconds, and the system starts up. Turn on enable and wait 15 seconds. Unscrew the laser cover. Wait for a moment, and the light will come out. Click System Settings to switch to English. Follow the same steps to switch back to Chinese. Click to prepare for cleaning. Connecting nitrogen pipes. Turn on the nitrogen generator and wait 90 seconds. It can be used when the nitrogen concentration reaches 99.99.